place where you find yourself surrounded by giants, mountains, and cultures. And so, we didn't get the shot. Turns out our drone actually broke, and honestly, this happens a lot. Like that time in Georgia where we crashed the drone into the mountains, or that time in Mongolia where we crashed the drone into the ground, or that time in Hong Kong where the drone gimbal broke.
Hey, maybe it's not broken.
No, it's fucked up. A lot of drone problems on this trip. Or the other time the gimbal broke.
This is not what you want.
I could go on, but you get the idea. So whether your gear crashes, gets confiscated at customs, or you find yourself in a strict no-fly zone, not having those right establishing drone shots at the right time can totally stall you when it comes to the editing room. And trust me, that is not a situation that's very fun to be in. So yeah, this happens to us a lot, where we're missing a really key shot from a key place for whatever reason we couldn't get it. I mean, there's a million reasons, and it's not realistic to fly back somewhere and get that shot. So what do? Well, we rely on Storyblocks when we're in this situation. Storyblocks is a 100% human-made stock footage library that is made for this exact problem that creators run into. And this is how you can get yourself out of a pickle using something like Storyblocks.
Now, we're not saying don't get the shots yourself. Of course you want to do that, but things happen, life happens. Sometimes your drone gets taken, sometimes other equipment breaks, sometimes you just got geo restrictions and there's nothing else you can do. And that's where having a tool like Storyblocks is a total lifesaver, just because it allows you to fill in those pieces and keeps your project moving forward. Let me show you.
So we're gonna head into Storyblocks and just type in Nepal drone, and then immediately I'll be given so many options. I've popped up a few here and I'm just gonna select through. Ooh, okay, I like this one. And you can see on the right here, I can choose HD, I can choose 4K. Some of them have ProRes, which is amazing for color grading. And if I don't like this exact shot or the movement, I can scroll down and look for similar shots. I like this one, so I'm just gonna download it. If I want to make any changes, I could click Edit with AI and I could change the lighting, any small adjustments, but I'm happy with it, so I'm just gonna click download. Then once we're in Resolve, I'm just gonna drop this onto my missing file track, and voila, I've got my finished video with my drone shot right in there.
When it comes to sound design, we are obsessed. So obsessed that we actually flew to Japan just to record our own sound pack this year. But those sounds don't work for everything. So every time that we need a sound effect to try and create an emotion or move a scene or try and break that transition, we look to Storyblocks, whether it's a cinematic riser, the sounds of footsteps on concrete, or a horn honking in the background. There's high quality sound effects on there, and the library is all available to you right away. So whatever you're looking for, you can just search and download like that. And if you use the Adobe suite, they actually have a plugin so you don't even need to leave your timeline. So essentially, if you need sound effects or footage, you can search Storyblocks from Premiere and just put it right into your composition, which is amazing. Because it has unlimited downloads, we can pull like 10 different whooshes, 5 different music tracks, put them all in our DaVinci Resolve timeline, and see which one works best and not have to worry about paying per track. And to finish up the scene, we grab one of their pre-made DaVinci Resolve templates and drop it over the timeline. Bada bing, bada boom.
And I'm gonna be honest with you, here is the absolute worst part of this job, is you spend weeks planning a trip, days editing the footage. You're happy with your sound design, you love your final project, and you upload it to YouTube. And instantly, you get hit with a copyrights claim. And that's it. In a second, your monetization is gone. 1 second, I need a glass of water. So for example, instead of moving the camera and filming myself pouring water, I just used some stock footage from Storyblocks. Anyways, I'm gonna let the voice clone feature by 11 Labs inside Storyblocks finish what I was saying while I drink this glass of water.
On other platforms, you have to read the fine print for every single video. With Storyblocks, you just link your YouTube channel to your account once, and your channel is whitelisted. You can use their entire library as much as you want. Everything is pre-licensed for commercial use, and your work is protected forever. So it gives you complete peace of mind. You done there?
Okay, now where was I?
If you want to get access to the human-made stock footage library that's built for creators and essential to our workflow, head over to storyblocks.com/JoshADrift. Right now, they're offering 15% off any annual plan, and that's only available through that link that I just told you. So if it's something that could suit your workflow, it's a good time to hop on it. And we genuinely hope that you guys find this useful, and we're excited to see you in future videos. We have some exciting stuff coming out, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.